It doesn't matter how many times you fall, it matters how many times you get back up. Our successful Fijian tonight, we catch up with Muhammad Abid, the owner of Safety Rental Cars, welding and maintenance work. From market memories of selling bean and peanuts in Lambasa town to selling crabs in Suva, Abid's story serves as an inspiration to our youth. Sanyani Boiler with this success story.
Growing up from Walimbasonga in Lambasa, Muhammad Abid's parents sells bean for 5 cents in order to make a living.
My parents and grandparents all were market vendors, and when I am the son in the family, and my mom and dad used to take me from small to change my napkins in the market. I sleep on the stall, market stall, from the small. So, and we used to sell sweets, bean, peanut.
With his parents struggling to make ends meet, Abid left school at a very young age to assist his parents provide for their family.
Then from 3 I went to Olsen Secondary School just first time, and just left the school to help family and business in the market. That time our business was very small, and we were very poor family.
Determined to make something for himself, he moved to the capital city, grabbing every opportunities that come his way.
I used to sell on the roadside. I think I was the first person to sell prawn on the roadside in Suva, in the ice ski. I used to walk down from Nasinu Road to Kombote Street to my workplace every day, morning and afternoon.
With an entrepreneurial mind, Abid dabbed into various business sectors to gain more experience, and this was the start of his road to success.
Mine, and we started with rental. No, we started with taxi. We got 2 taxis, and then I think that was not enough. And we started up in support of my wife, and we started with rentals, safety rentals.
Abid says the secret to being successful is not to accept failure, but to view it as a learning opportunity.
First, you have to be truthful. Number 1, you do good job, reliable, you trust in God and your families, and then you will succeed in your life.
He now owns multiple properties which include safety rental cars, safety welding works, commercial agriculture work, and is planning to expand his business in civil works. Sanyani Boiler, FBC News.